We had the black bullet. This is totally the video that was never meant to be, because this was started out as one thing and totally went in another direction. We got the Cimarron there, and I was just seeing how it shot, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this at 50 yards and just see what it does. You know, we're going to compare it to the Rossi Survival Rifle at 50 yards. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all are about to see what this does. Alright, we got some cowboy load here today. 45 Colt, we're at 50 yards. We're just going to demonstrate the difference in drop from 50 to 25 yards on this. With these are Fiocchi cowboy load, 750 feet through whatever barrel they got, but whoo, black bullets. Whoa, black bullet, bam, a lamb. I said, whoa, black bullet, bam, a lamb. I said, black bullet gone wild. All right, here we go, 50 yards. 50 yards, we're gonna, this is sighted in for the Barnes Vortex, so these aren't gonna be on. We're just gonna see where it's hitting at 50 yards, and we're gonna go at 25 and see the elevation difference on these, on two different groups. So. Whee! Well, those are in line with each other. Wow, these ain't grouping for crap. Alright. That. I'm gonna just take one. This is when the video starts falling apart. I'm gonna take one more shot. Okay, got the general idea. Now we're gonna go up to 25 and see how it does. Y'all seen there was a terrible group with the Rossi Survival Rifle and these Fiocchi 45 Colts cowboy load. So what we're gonna do, just for the hell of it, at 50 yards, I'm just gonna see what I can do with the Pistolero. Bet y'all didn't see that one coming. Probably gonna hit the dirt on the first bullet. Yep. Alright, so we'll go a little high. Let's go take a look at this nonsense. I don't think this camera was recording. So we're gonna walk. This is not gonna turn off. We're gonna walk down there. Sick-minded bastards. Here we go. This was the Rossi down here. You can see my hand down there. Yeah, that was the Rossi Survival Rifle. Same bullets. This is the same bullets through the Pistolero. We got a shot there. Shot. That first one hit the dirt. I overcompensated, as I usually do. And third one probably just went over the top. Rushing it. I don't know. The camera was off though, but that's That's interesting. I've got a 6-inch group out the Pistolero, which is better than out the Rossi.